looky. Fireworks. I recorded it late. It looks so good from the real thing. I just wanted to record this for you guys because it looks so cool. This is going to be your first time seeing fireworks on my channel. And this is the first fun thing you will ever see. Fireworks! And it's for Glencoe Days. Yep. And since tomorrow's Sunday, on Monday, I will be going camping. Whoa! What was that one? That was cool. Like, I don't know. But that was cool. To people who, are kind of blinded, but I hope your eyes don't, hurt for this. Whoa, that's a high one. I'm just gonna use my phone to look. Oh, I almost forgot. What's up, Windproof Squad? I forgot to say that. To the people who subscribed, thank you. And if you want to see this, you would have to go to Glencoe, Minnesota. I live in Glencoe. You might already know that. Well, here comes the finale. Not really the finale, but the part where there's a lot of fireworks. I want to brighten it up a little bit. That's too bright. Let's... It's fireworks. There's fireworks in Glencoe. There's fireworks in Glencoe, Minnesota. Oh, there we go. Oh gosh, it's so hard to look at fireworks, and when you're recording. Whoa, I saw light. That was cool. Ooh. They're like shooting stars that go up. It's kind of cool. Wait, what was that one that I just saw? It looks like they're like cool shapes. Wait, where is it? But from the real me. Wait, why did I talk about that? Oh gosh, I almost missed it. And guess what? This is the 51st year. This is the 51st anniversary in Glencoe. Hear that? 51st anniversary. We already seen the parade, but I couldn't bring my phone with because it was charging. Well. Please stand. This actually looks super cool. It's what I like about fireworks is that they go up into the sky. They're very bright and they're some sort of color, and it's so pretty. Oh, that was a Vikings color. Ah. Whoa. What if the fireworks actually shaped into something? They're very bright. When they're they sound like, they look like the thing that you see in DreamWorks animation. Not DreamWorks, but the Disney thingy. When you start a Buddies movie. I like those movies still. But Netflix, could you please bring back Air Buddies? It was one of my favorite Buddies movie. And it is actually pretty cool. I want to, it's so hard to, I'm sorry. It's just so hard to try to record amazing thing and like fireworks, and trying to look at it at the same time. Oh gosh. It might not be hard for other people, but it is for me. Whoa. Oh gosh, here's a high one. Whoa. Where's the ground? I can't even see the ground. This. Nope, still do not see it. Okay, that was a better idea. But this is so pretty. And I'm sorry to say this, but I need to go to the restroom so bad. But they're actually porta potties, and they're so gross that barely anyone goes in them, and I have to hold my business, which is sad. I need to go so bad. Okay. Whoa, here comes another one. Whoa! What? Wait, there it is. Whoa. I'll tell you the colors of them because you can't really see the color. But it's orange and green. It's orange with shimmering gold on it. So cool. Purple and gold. I can't really say all the colors because I don't want to waste my time just saying colors. It might be annoying. Woo! So pretty. And there's so many cars. What? I try to hurry to show you how many cars there are. I also wanted to show you like the fireworks. I need to go to the restroom so bad. Please stand by. Oh wow, so pretty. Oh, that was a pink one. Cool. Oh, whoa. That's so cool. Oh. Look at them. But how do fireworks shoot, first of all? That's the question. And look, my hand. Sorry, I'm blocking. But my hand. Hi. But look, wee! Oh, that was a blue and gold one. Oh, that's so pretty. Like from Hotel Transylvania 3. Dracula said, "Hey, fire bad, remember?" And fireworks are actually made out of fire, but colored fire. I don't know how it's colored, but it's actually pretty. It's actually very pretty. Here comes another one, and oh, that's so pretty! Oh my gosh! And guys, that's all gold. And I wish you guys were here. You missed one firework. I'm sorry. Whoa! I wish my friend Bo could see this too. Whoa! Whoa! That firework was huge. Whoa! 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 It's happening again. I need to go. So bad. As I meant I need to go. I need to go to the restroom so bad. Mom and Dad are not letting me because the porta potties are gross. If you haven't heard that, you maybe have. And I am dumb. And guys, I actually told YouTube that my channel is like boring, and how can I make it fun? Like the other channels. They're very fun. Mine is just blah blah blah. It's just like blah blah blah. Like Dracula. Okay, stop playing around now. But my channel's actually very boring. So I want more subscribers, more fun videos for everyone in the whole entire world. I want everyone to be happy. For real, if you think I'm faking, that was right. If you think I'm faking, I am not lying. I even pinky promise you. Whoa, whoa, whoa! First, I need to show you this. But look, I pinky promise you that I will try my best to make this channel fun. And those are some loud ones. Ah, that's so bright. Ah, look at it. Ah, oh my gosh. Everybody close your eyes if you want to. But, oh my gosh, that's so bright. I'm trying to clap my hands, but okay, but that was so good. I recorded the whole thing.
I don't care. You can't record with the light on.